This is a day of eating for someone who only eats single ingredient foods. First, we're starting off with an orange fruit first. Then, of course, we're going into the avocado pudding. Get an avocado into your bowl, and then you're gonna wanna add organic cacao, make sure it's of good quality, and then red mint salt, cinnamon, maple syrup. Mix it together until it's like pudding, and then a little extra collagen, of course. Then cacao nibs with goji berries and wild blueberries. Then of course we got nature's candy, we got dates going in the bowl. Pan on the heat, we're going grass-fed butter and then organic pasture-raised eggs, just 4 today. Quick apple, and then eggs in the bowl, little olive oil, of course I had to drink some. And that is a beautiful full day of eating for someone who only eats single ingredients.